Hi all, PlantSide Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at a Molle Bottle Bag cook kit I put together. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. This isn't my first bottle bag video. I've got a whole series of them I made a playlist out of, and I'll put a link to that playlist in the description if you're interested in seeing some of those other videos. This little bottle bag is really useful for a lot of different things. I've built different kits around it for different purposes, and I've built water bottle bag kits for my family and just everybody. It's just a very handy little bag. These bags, you can pick them up on eBay, Temu, or AliExpress pretty inexpensively, oftentimes with free shipping, so they're not a bad little bag. Like I said, they're Molle. They got the Molle straps on the back so you can attach it to a Molle compatible or any other bag that you want. And it's got a nice little pocket here to store stuff in. So I say it's very, very useful. So let me go ahead and I'll show you what I got here. Make sure I'm staying in frame. Okay, now I've been kind of working on this particular version for quite a while. Originally, I bought one of the Pathfinder bottle bag kits, which are really nice. But I thought, well, let's try to build one out of one of these smaller bags. The Pathfinder bottle bag is actually a little bit bigger than this, and I do have a comparison video between this style and that one too. So if you're interested in anything about these bottle bags, you can go through all my videos and see what I've done. They're, like I say, they're really actually practical little bags. But anyway, I've been working on this one for a while, just a different version of like the Pathfinder one. And so I've been slowly putting it together. This is what the latest one I have. And I found, well, let's start. I did find this Lexata bottle kit, or bottle and cup set, or bowl set online. Let's plop this down. And I think there's a couple of different manufacturers. There's a photo of one I think I spot on AliExpress. For any of this stuff on AliExpress, Temu, eBay, shop around, because you can, I've seen these things as high as 45 bucks down to 23 bucks, so or even less than that. What's the one I just put up? 12 bucks? But anyway, so shop, whenever you're on AliExpress or any of these, shop around, because sometimes you can find better deals if you look around. But anyway, this was nice. It came with a stainless steel water bottle, quart, and which is really nice. Okay, and it came with a cup that it fits inside. Now, this one I have a rag for use as a cook kit. Also, it keeps it from banging around a little bit when it's in the bottom, although it's not that big a deal. But anyway, so this is nice. It's a 750 milliliter pot with butterfly handles, so that it fits, it nests inside really nice. That's a nice combination. You got your cook kit, and there's the towel. Also, it does most of these do come with a lid, so you got everything you need right there. So that's that part of it. And also was able to fit down in here one of the larger, it's snug. There we go. It's a snug fit, but that's okay. I got one of these Wildo foldable cups in there. So now I got a bowl to eat out of, or a drinking cup, or whatever you want to use it for. I like to use plastic cups rather than trying to drink out of metal cups, because I like my hot drinks hot. I know some guys don't mind drinking them at room temperature when, or lip temperature on the cup. But me, I like mine a little hotter. I sip them. I don't gulp or chug my drinks. So anyway, so that's so that fit in there nicely. So that's right now. That's all I have in here. I think you get a little bit of room. You might be able to stuff some other stuff in there, like a knife and fork set. So that's the inside of the bag. Now in the pocket, I have a a 2-ounce tin that I can put coffee in if I want to brew some coffee. Have some matches and also some Tender Quick fire starters. And I have this little kit. I think I ordered some fat wood or something once, or some kind of kit. I got this nice little ferrule rod that has a shell casing mounted on it, which I thought was kind of cool, and it came with a striker. So I put that in there with a couple of sticks of fat wood and then a lighter. So there's some fire starting stuff if you need. So I got, 3 ways of starting a fire and then igniting the fire, and then I got fire accelerant here. Okay, and I have room for a 2-ounce alcohol bottle, which you'll see why I have that in there. And let's go, what's else in here? I should probably do it in order, but I also have one of those foldable drip coffee filters, and these are really nice. I use them all the time. They're ears, and you pull them apart, and they'll sit on the edge of the pot, and you can make drip coffee in it. So they're small, lightweight, not very expensive. I think I pick them up on Temu, maybe Outlet or eBay. I don't know. You guys just have to shop around. It's not that hard. You got Google, or just get the apps. Let me see. And then I have also fit one of the smaller twig stoves. This gives me the option of using twigs if I wanted to boil water. These little foldable ones, you guys might have seen those. I've done videos on these too. But anyway, and also for alcohol, I made out of this, I call them a bud, a bud container, if you know what I mean. But these are nice little containers. And I built an alcohol stove out of this. And I kind of wanted it because I'd be able to store some fuel in it. So I have videos on this, burn tests and making it and all of that. So anyway, that's I had to go out and buy an O-ring for it so it would seal. But and I did test it, so it does seal. Without it, this doesn't seal tight enough to hold alcohol. Although when you put the coiled felt in there, it's probably not going to leak out anyway. But so it's pretty good. So that's my little alcohol stove. And the reason I'm using this one as opposed to one of my smaller 1-ounce ones is that with this particular stove, the bottom of it fits here, and this one will give me enough gap when it sits in here that I'll get that 1 inch to 1.5 inch sweet spot for the alcohol burner. So otherwise, if I'd gotten like one of the slower profile one, it's just like really too big a gap. I mean, it'll still work, but it's just not quite as efficient. So that's decided. Also, this it fits inside the pocket really nice too. So, and it's a nice little stove. It does the job. Okay, and then last but not least, I have a spoon. Now you got these bags, they got little slots in here you can, put your stuff in. Oops, get this out of the way. You could, put other knife and fork spoon sets in here if you want. You got a little bit of room to kind of build it out however you want. But for right now, this is how I put this particular kit together, and it'll brew coffee, it'll cook meals, whatever you want to do. So that's the kit. Can't think much more to say. I think a lot of the stuff's self-explanatory. So anyway, just threw it out there to give you guys some ideas about what you can do with these things and build out your own kit. And the nice thing about this kit, everything's pretty inexpensive overall. So it's a cheaper alternative to the Pathfinder kit, which is excellent. You get a lot of stuff with it. I mean I bought one and use it, but this is just another option, another way of going about doing things. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.